Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Prius Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here, this trip button. Also, this kilometer and miles per hour button. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. First of all, we're gonna go ahead and change the audio into the trip A, and we're gonna be using that trip button earlier to change that. Go ahead and press 1. There you can see we are at the trip A. Now turn off your car, and at the same time press and hold this kilometer and mile per hour button. Press and hold and turn your car back on, and you can see the blinker running just like that, and we are done. Guys, don't forget to click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.